Hey, what's up everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how you can deactivate your Facebook and your Messenger account in 2023. So to get this done, let's open up our Facebook application and then hit the menu button. So to get this done, let's open up our Facebook application and then tap the menu button. After that, you want to scroll down to settings and privacy and then tap on your account settings. And now you can see the Meta Account Center. Press on See More in Account Center. From there, you want to tap on the personal details. And now you can see your account's details, your contact information, birthday, and you can see account ownership and control. So tap that. And now it will open up the menu to which you can deactivate or delete your account. So press on it and then choose the Facebook account that you want to deactivate or delete. So now you got the two options, whether you want to deactivate your account or completely delete it. Keep in mind, if you deactivate your account, it's going to be temporary. You can always get it back and you can even set the amount of time you want it to be deactivated. However, if you deleted your account, it's going to be permanently deleted and you won't be able to get it back no matter what. So be careful when choosing between these two options and choose the one that you're sure of. So that was how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Now for the Messenger app, all you have to do is tap the three bars in the top left corner and then click on the settings icon. From there, you want to scroll down until you see the Meta Account Center and then click on See More in Account Center once again. From there, you can also see your account details again and you can see the account ownership and control. So click on it and then choose to deactivate or delete. That will be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that it helped. If it did, let us know in the comments and subscribe for future videos.